Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to modify file editing settings for sites on Opera.gx. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open up your settings. Once you press pick, there's a shortcut, keyboard shortcut, and then scroll all the way down. Sorry about that. So scroll all the way down. I basically opened it. So click on site settings actually. So once you open settings, you click on site settings. Next, you scroll down until you see additional permission. Then you click on the down arrow to open up additional permissions. And under it, you will see file editing. So click on file editing. And here, for sites usually access files and folders on your device for features like automatically saving your work for you. So if you do not want the sites to edit files or folders on your device, make sure you turn this on. And if you want them to be able to ask to edit your files or folders on your device, you turn this on. Now you can also decide to customize the behavior instead of using the default behavior that is the setting sites automatically follow when you visit them. If you have maybe there's a particular exception you want to make to the settings you've made. For example, you choose sites can ask to edit files and folders on your device, but a particular site you do not want to have that permission, you can put it in the not allowed to edit files or folders list. Then if you've chosen for sites not allow sites to edit files or folders on your device, and this particular one you want to be able to edit files and folders on your device, you put it in the allowed to edit files or folders list. It's as simple as that. That is how to modify file editing settings for sites on Opera.gx.